Seats.
Watch the fresh page.
That's all I want. Aha.
FN2 or EP3?
They are red.
Don't like the seating position.
Surprise for you.
They're going in something a bit special. So impatient.
Really like them. Bolt them in, no messing around.
Now they're scratched.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
I'm a lot slimmer than you. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another episode on the Civic build.
Yeah, now today we're tackling seats. These might just be temporary though. Aha.
Yes.
But a deal came up on a set of FN2 Type R seats, which are very nice.
Yes, very good.
They got slightly bigger bolster, so we're going to swap these over today and see what the seating position's like and see how comfy and supportive they are.
Let's have a look, shall we?
Let's check them out.
As most of you are probably aware, EP3 seats I find are really supportive anyway. Good balance of comfort and supportive.
Yes.
But you got very lucky with these, so...
I did, yeah. Now, the EP3 are facelift seats, hence they're red.
Ah, very nice ones, yeah.
Yes, and we got a little surprise for you.
Yeah, they're going in something a bit special as well. But basically, Kenny was, obviously we're building the race car you see behind you there. You were going to go for bucket seats, but like I said, these came up at a very good price that we couldn't say no to. And an added bonus...
They already came out of an EP3.
Yes!
So, the brackets and everything are already in place, so it's just bolt them in, no messing around.
I've heard more than one person say that they don't like the seating position on the FN2 seats. This is what I'm really curious about, because they just look so much more comfortable.
Yeah, they have. But what I've already done, just before Drew turned up, because I get very impatient.
So impatient.
I've already put the driver's one in.
Yes.
Now, I've done this just purely so you guys can see the difference between the two in the car.
But we haven't sat in them or anything yet because we want to keep that for camera.
Yes.
So, yeah, this is one of the main things. Just want to see them side by side. I mean, visually, obviously, opinions are subjective. I think these look so much better.
They do, yeah. I also, obviously, you can see the difference in the shoulder support, etc.
Yes.
You know, if they are bigger, these bolsters are
I do think they're going to be more comfy. It is,
yeah.
Everyone says they seat too high, so I'm very curious of this. One thing we did say, hold on a sec.
Yes.
One thing that Kenny mentioned straight away was the difference in the weight.
Yeah,
so,
now I've lifted these two up and I thought that was one hell of a difference.
I'm used to bucket seats.
Yeah, so they're heavy anyway, yeah.
Jesus. Oh my god.
See what I mean?
I mean, you can...
Yes.
They're actually quite like the standard seats. That's a very noticeable difference.
It really is.
Wow.
Now, I think the difference of these is, obviously, being out of a newer car, they do have airbags and stuff in these seats compared to these standard.
That makes sense.
So, nevertheless, though, I know we're trying to save weight, but like I said, these are maybe a temporary thing. Bruce really likes them. He does approve. So, yeah, let's have a look at them in the car.
Yes, let's do it. Ah, the joys of having a dog. Sorry, I just want to say very quickly, this looks absolutely phenomenal now. It's amazing coming out. Seeing it in all the glory with the new paint. Yes. The wing back on the rear end and the wheels and tyres. I'm sure you guys will agree, the tyres. I love a chunky setup now.
Yes.
Maybe we're getting old, but it looks awesome. So this is how they look in the car. And I gotta say, even though I am convinced they look so much better.
They do, yeah. Now the proof is in the pudding. So
yeah.
Let's see if I actually fit.
Sit your buttocks in there.
Oh, you're gonna notice a difference. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh.
Wow, good. Obviously, wow, good.
Really,
yeah.
Really good. Otherwise, you'd be like, oh. But no, honestly, the support already.
Oh, really?
The top half, yeah.
Ooh.
And you can feel the side bolsters are big. Obviously, I'm a big guy anyway.
I'm glad you said it. Yeah.
But I literally wedge in these, and I can feel a bit of movement in them. Obviously, they are reclinable.
Yeah, they're not fixed, unfortunately.
Yeah. So, but even that, oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you have
Happy days.
Let's sit and see what you think.
They look so much more modern. Oh, what? Oh my god. Just for standard seats, there's a lot more bolster and support than I thought there was going to be.
It really is.
Like I said, the EP3 ones, they do feel, oh, you are supported, but these are hugging me. And even
level.
me, I'm a lot slimmer than you.
Yeah. Wow. I may have to vaz myself up and jump in.
I was to say, obviously, they are comfy.
I am snug in them.
Yeah. Wow.
But they are nice, yeah.
I'm starting to love this car, man. That is awesome. But let's get them both in. I want to see what they both look like now, because that looks amazing. Watch the fresh paint.
That's all I'm watching.
So that's the other seat out. Like we said, fortunately guys, Kenny got really lucky with this because they are on the EP3 rails. Now, the FN2 rails are completely different, am I right in saying?
I think so, yeah. These have obviously been welded, new brackets.
Yep. Oh, okay, yeah, now they're scratched.
Yeah.
But yeah, so just a note, guys, you will have to sort out or adapt your current rails if you are going down this route.
Yeah,
but
Dan,
come on.
one of our subscribers has bought some, and I had to send him pictures of these because he doesn't know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll see how he gets on.
Accelerate helping you out, all right. Also really helps if you don't live on the edge of a cliff.
Richard.
Fair play, George, you lifted that all on your own.
I used to work on my YouTube.
This is what I do. See, I am helping though.
No, you are opening the door.
What do you think, Bruce? FN2 or EP3? Yeah, no, I'd get an S2000 as well. So this is our luck with cars. These are on EP3 rails. They came out of an EP3, and it still doesn't quite line up. Kenny's got to get his magic tool. So both the seats are in, and I think you'll agree, aesthetically they pass the test.
Yes, they do.
But, so they're nice to sit in, everything like that, but like you said, I think the main thing is now we need to get out on the road and see how they feel out on the road.
Yeah, let's do it.
So like we said, the initial comfort of the seats, I really like. There's a good amount of bolstering, but this is where they should come alive.
Wow, they really do make a difference.
Yeah?
Yeah. But it's the top support more than anything.
Yeah.
Like the top of your lumbar, I suppose.
Okay.
It's all up here, you know, it's so much more supportive.
Yeah, because even from the passenger seat.
Yeah, I haven't gone, you know, I'm pretty solid in these seats and I'm bang on, to be honest.
Quite well, yeah.
Really, really well, yeah.
So before we finish out the seat video, thought we'd, there's another addition that we've just put in, or Kenny's just put in.
I've just put in.
So we thought we'd check in this video as well. Look at that.
And
That's loud.
it is loud, isn't it? I can't remember it being that loud. It must be a more powerful switch.
So we've got TGR's lovely Alcantara dished steering wheel with
titanium red bolts.
Yes, they are actually titanium bolts.
They are.
Now, obviously we haven't driven like this, but that looks awesome. And it's going to be a lot more grippy with the suede.
This is it, yeah, exactly. Now, I just want to say a massive thank you to Adam, because he sorted me out with the bolts and the steering wheel.
Yes.
Just, if you need anything like that, check him out. Honestly, his products are absolutely stunning.
Yeah, and Adam himself, I mean, just what a guy.
Yes.
Even hooking us up with some stickers as well.
Yep.
So yeah, always happy with this stuff.
I want to jump in and have a little
look. Oh yeah, you haven't even felt it yet, so...
Ooh. It's a bit closer to me than I was hoping.
Yes,
but
it's very dished. But...
yeah, but it actually feels lovely. There's so much grip on it now.
Yeah.
So, yes, I like that.
I think we're happy with that.
That looks cool.
It looks cool as well, yeah.
Really
the fact that it's titanium as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I think that'll do it for the seat and the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Because we're happy with the seats.
Yes, we love the seats.
So anyone that's running them, like we said, the common thing seemed to be that the FN2 seats were very high, or they sit very high. I disagree with that, and I think Kenny disagrees with that.
I think it feels exactly the same as...
Oh, there we are then. Yeah.
Me, anyway.
Yeah, so highly recommend the seats. There is a bit of fabrication work you'd have to do, as with most seats when you're swapping them, but definitely worth it. I think he's very happy with that. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Boo!